have thought she would have so much fun?
She certainly is enjoying herself. Soki! Ahsoka! Hey! Hi! What you doing? Soki! What you doing? Are you having fun? Are you having a fun beach day? She's loving the water.
You got that in your nose, didn't you?
And just the freedom to run. Wear off some of that energy. Chasing sticks.
Oh, you're filming it? Quick drop off right here. So that's like...
Oh, now she's gonna take a break. She got a stick. She got the stick.
She got her stick. She got her stick.
It's a beautiful day here on the Wisconsin River. Below the Pentwell Dam. And the eagles have been fishing like crazy. She never goes far. She stays very close to us, which is a good thing. She's just enjoying herself.